Welcome. You are now floating above the eastern coast of Elba Island, near the town of Rio Marina. Below you lies the Valle Giove open-pit mine, a landscape shaped by centuries of iron extraction. This theatre-shaped excavation was established in the 1950s, when mining activity intensified across the island. Here, workers extracted valuable minerals such as hematite, also known as ferric oxide, together with fluorite and quartz. Mining operations here ceased completely in 1981. As we slowly approach the site, you can see rows of photovoltaic panels installed across the former mining ground. The existing solar power system on your left was installed in 2011 and connected to the national electricity grid in 2012. Its total nominal power is 970 kilowatts. On your right, you are seeing the proposed solar energy system planned for this site. The new photovoltaic installation adds 915 kilowatts of power, enough electricity to serve approximately 510 additional households.